Hey, what's up, y'all? Went fishing today with my buddy Chris with Wolf's Fishing, and I got to meet Mike with Metal Mike Fishing. They both have YouTube channels. I'll put their stuff down below if y'all want to check out their channel. Went out there to Mustang Island, Port Aransas, and fished a brand new spot for me, and did pretty good. Caught a few nice reds. The first red I caught on a chicken boy shrimp, little bitty 3-inch shrimp, sight casted to a tail. And the package looks like that, in case y'all are wondering what they look like. I had it rigged on a 1/0 weedless swim bait hook in a 1/8 ounce, and I cut the spinners off of these. Like I had said before, I just couldn't find the 1/0 swim bait hooks, you know, without those spinners on there. So I've been using that. It's working real good. I'm getting good hook sets with that size hook on this size lure. So then I caught one on the wake bait, the 6 cents, and then caught 2 more on a new lure. It's the Fish Lab Bio Spoon Weedless, and this is a 3/4 ounce. I tried the 1/8 ounce the other day. It's the same exact size as far as, you know, dimensions, but the 1/8 ounce was really hard for me to throw even on my light tackle, you know. So I got this 1/4 ounce, and it was working pretty good. The reason why I picked this spoon over all the other spoons in the tackle store is because it comes with a swivel already to help prevent from the line twisting up, and then the little weedless thing that comes with it, I just like the way it looked. I just thought that, you know, that's perfect, you know. So, and I was just reeling it in steady, just, you know, a steady retrieve. You could also bump them off the bottom. I was checking that out too, and it had pretty good action bumping it off the bottom. So this is definitely a new lure for me. I haven't really ever tried spoons that much. So I think on the sunnier times of the day, you know, it puts off some good flash, and it just looks like a bait fish, you know, swimming through. So sunny days, I think this is going to be where it's at. You know, early in the morning when there's not any sun, it won't put off as much flash. So for me, it's going to be a later in the morning type lure. So the tides were really low, man. The tides have been kind of all over the place, that, you know, with the wind shifts and everything that we keep having, and we had to drag across a lot of crap to get to some of these spots. A couple of the spots we fished, the redfish were trapped in there, so there were some deeper guts, and you know, it's always been weird to me that they don't know to go out when the tide's going out. But all of these guts and cuts, they have a real shallow spot right in front of them, and so whenever the tides go out real low, they can't get out of there, so they're trapped in there. So 3 of my reds came from those scenarios today, and then 1 of the reds just came from out in the bay fishing some sandbar guts, and didn't see much bait out there in the sandbar guts, so we didn't stay there long. We went and hit another one of those guts. But we had a good day. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Gotta get to that gut right there. I want one right there. A lot of times what I do is I'll push up on these little shallow edges, right, to kind of anchor for just a minute so you don't drift all over the place. If you'll stay on the left side, I'll work the right side, and I guess Chris will go down the middle.
Okay, I'll do my best.
Yeah, it's okay if you mess up. You know, being brand new to a kayak is it's not easy to keep it in control, you know?
Yeah.
It's too shallow on that right side. I can't get through there otherwise. Oh. On the wakebait?
Yeah.
You cheater.
Hey. Little one though.
Yeah, he's gonna be a slot. Or close to it.
I don't doubt you anymore on that. You're like it.
There you go, man. Look at that big old tail just come up. Good grief, man. There you go. Good red too. Yeah, he's a good one. They're loaded up in here. It's a real good fish. At least on light tackle. He's not really that big, but on light tackle. There went another one right under me. Yeah. Nice red. He's got a extra couple of spots right there. He's good. He's still sitting there. There he goes. Oh, there you go. Boy, he hit it on the surface when I was adjusting my rudder, and it paused. Redfish. Good one too. Yeah. Real good one. Man, he freaking inhaled that wakebait. I mean, all the way. Oh man, I might have to give this one to Chris or Mike. Well, nice red though. Golly, dude, he's freaking bad. He freaking swallowed it all the way. Ain't no way he's gonna make it. No, I don't have a stringer. Why would you go fishing without a stringer? Well, because I don't keep fish very much. seen them in there though. Ooh, it's pretty soft. Well, it got better. It got better. Oh, there you go. Oh, get it, boy, on the spoon, man. Golly. Yeah.
Damn. Hell yeah.
I think he's a pretty good one, man. Well, that's that light tackle, you know. There's a bunch of them right past where it bends over there, Chris.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was trying to hit over there.
If I get him in, it's gonna be my first slot red on a spoon. I've never really tried a spoon all that much.
Man, gold spoons are slot shooting at this time of year.
Well, I figure with it being sunny now,
Yeah.
that it put off some flash. I hooked into one time and it got off with a spoon.
All right, Chris. Started to sink.
Damn, he ain't trying to give up.
Got that mark power.
Yeah. You just can't horse them like you can with my bait caster.
No, not at all.
Plus that my bait caster has 40-pound braid on it, so come on, dude. Damn. There he goes. He's done. Once they turn on, oh, he said one more time, one more time. Man, it's a nice one, dude.
Yeah, it sure is.
Come on, dude.
Look at that. Clean plumbing showing us how it's done. Hey, if you don't want to keep them up, I told my boss I'd bring you something.
Yeah. That's a nice red. He's about 25.
Easy.
What do you want to do with him if you're going to keep it?
Here, I'll take them. I'll take them over there to the kayaks and I'll put them on my stringer.
You want to try a spoon or no?
I still got that little shrimp.
There was one right there, Chris. He spooked from my lure.
Oh crap! Crap.
You told me to try it.
I know.
I offered my lure and rod and reel.
I know you did.
He's a little dude, a little bit.
I think it's cool though, putting in a little hole.
Yeah.